Hello to you watching. So, if you can see, I'm already all done up. I didn't do a palette bingo Sunday yesterday, so I figured I would upload an extra video here. It's not a palette bingo. It is, I followed this tutorial. And the tutorial I followed was Courtney K's peacock-inspired eye look. So, if you're interested in see how I followed her tutorial, keep watching. And if you're interested in seeing the tutorial itself, the video is linked below. And I say that at least 3 more times during the actual video. So, now on to the makeup. Today, I decided that I was going to do, I followed so-and-so's tutorial. And the tutorial I wanted to follow was Courtney K's tutorial. Oh, and she has a new video that I need to watch at some point. Anyway, Courtney K is a YouTuber. I think she's got like, what, 4,000 subscribers, I think? 4,295 as of me looking at her channel right now. But I think she's so sweet and very well spoken. I really like her. And I'm pretty sure she's in Central PA, which makes me feel a little homey because I went to undergrad in Central PA, so. Where's the tutorial I wanted to follow? But she did this absolutely gorgeous, like, peacock looking eye. Yeah, peacock inspired eye look that she posted on Instagram, and everyone was like, do a tutorial, because it was absolutely gorgeous. And so I've watched the tutorial, and I want to do it, but she's so fancy. But yeah, so I figured, why not do that now? Okay. See this? That's her. Let's see. I don't have any of the things she used, but we're gonna see if we can make it work. Yeah, I'm here for the eye look. Well, right now I'm here for the eye look. Okay, come on, Court. Okay. Okay, so she's using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Cottage Cheese. I have one in Milk, so I'm going to do that. Good, because I'm going to need to. Oh, hold on, you're going too fast. I'm not ready yet. Alright, we're going back to the cream eyeshadow thing. Because I know it's some kind of brown that we do in the transition, but I don't remember. Okay, I think I'm going to have to go grab another palette because I don't think I have something in the bathroom right now that is the color that she's using. She's using a ColourPop. Oh, also, I will have her video linked down below because I don't know how to put like a tiny little screenshot of what I'm watching in. So, if you want to see what I'm doing or what I'm following, you're going to have to go to her channel and read that. Okay, so we did that. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get the brown shade that I need to use for my transition color. So I'm going to pull from my Urban Decay Naked because I figured this would probably, yeah. I think Buck is what I'm going to use. So let's get blending brush. All right, you can start talking again. I said start talking again. Oh, I'm not ready. Hold on. Stop. Let me finish blending into the crease first. She says it's okay if it looks a little sloppy, which is good because right now it looks a little sloppy. It's just a transition color. It's okay. You know, there was a time that transition colors were a confused. Like I didn't know what it meant. Like I didn't see the point. I never did it. What little times I used to wear eyeshadow, that wasn't something I was using. Okay. Transition color. Now I'm listening. Okay. Green. Alright, what are you doing with that? She's got the Make Believe in Yourself pattern. Hers is more of like a metallic light pink. I'm gonna use Mean from my Full Spectrum palette. Alright, she's got over all of the lid? No, hold on, go back. I was talking too much. Flat shader brush. I can't tell. Alright, so pause for a second because I gotta put on my green shade. My green shade's not nearly as metallic as yours. Ooh, okay. It's looking like that's good. That's a good shade. That's a fun shade. I like the shade. The clothes I am wearing is not for this eye look. Alright. Alright. Green eyeshadow done. Okay, now you're about to go to a blue. Royal blue. I'm going to go in with a non-royal blue. I'm going to go in with... Yeah. Okay. She's using a much true royal blue. I think I'm going to go in with Minx. Okay, so pause this for a sec. We're going to do a little bit more green because we want to go all the way in. Alright, and then now we're going to go in with the blue. I'm going to just use the same brush. I probably do have a blue color that is more like the blue she used, but this is my palette of the month, so I'm going to use this. Alright, so outside corner. There we go. That's what we're looking like so far. A little crazy. My hair's a little hot messy. Okay, and then she's using like a teal, but she's using her finger. So I think what I'm going to do, I guess I'm going to go in with Blindside. Alright, I'm kind of getting a gradient. Ooh. That's a nice gradient. I got a gradient going on here, Courtney. Alright. Look at that. Right. Blending, blending, blending. And she's putting the tiniest bit of black in her outer corner. Oh. Alright, and then she went back into her transition shade. Let me do that. Hold on. Slow down, Courtney. Alright. Alright, she's doing her face now, so I can finish doing my... I think that kind of works. I mean, I don't think it's as... Do I have a green? No. Okay, so I'm going to go into my ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette and just pick up, I guess, Girlfriend to just lighten up the one, like, even more on my inner corner to add even that much more of a gradient. Alright, so I'll turn that volume down so you're not. So you should watch the video. Alright, so, yeah. I don't know if you can see it. See? Maybe I'll take you out into the sunlight once I'm done with my mascara and stuff, and that way maybe you can see it better. I'm sorry, I'm making sure that you can actually see the eye makeup. So I have to look at myself and not into the viewfinder. Okay, so this was me following Courtney K's peacock-inspired eye makeup. Hope you guys liked it. And definitely check out Courtney's video itself because she does a much better job. And her color's a little more pigmented than mine. But I still think it turned out really good and I really like it. Thanks, Courtney, for sharing. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.